Hi friends, it's Andrea and today is day 2 and we're cooking sausage, mushroom, scrambled eggs with spinach and cheese. So I'm going to cook this up and I'm going to eat it with a spinach wrap. Excuse the low quality, I'm using my cell phone. So I'm going to be using the Extreme Wellness Olay spinach and herb, and these only have 50 calories with 15 carbs. So it's not going to raise, the sugar. Excuse the miss, honey. I know I'm a pig. Anyway, so you're going to cook your breakfast great value sausage, of course. And that we're going to do 2 ounces. And then you're going to do 1 ounce of mushrooms. But you could put more than that. I just don't have a lot, so. Then you put 3 eggs, because, girl, we big girls and we hungry. And the breakfast is the best time to eat. So I got 3 eggs in here, and I'm going to put some spinach and some cheese, and I'm going to wrap it up in this nice little wrap, and it's going to be delicious. Really. Add your cheese and spinach, and cook that up a little bit. I added a little bit of butter because I like a little flavor, We're not going cold turkey just yet, so a little butter won't hurt. And then, yeah, I don't know if I'm going to make it as a wrap, or I'm going to just eat it on the side with the tortilla. Okay, so I know this looks like a lot because I'm super hungry in the morning, so I tend to eat a little bit more. This whole plate with 3 eggs, 1 ounce mushrooms, 2-ounce sausage, great value breakfast sausage, of course, a spinach wrap, and cheese. All this right here comes out to 460 calories. So it's really not that bad, and there's not much of carbs. The only thing that really has carbs is the tortilla. And that's only it's less than 20 carbs. So we do got to take a shot. I eat it separately because it's too big to fit in that little wrap. I'm going to eat it with some sriracha or some green salsa. And yeah, it looked good in here, girl. I'm hungry. Yes, honey. If you're hungry, eat. Just eat the right things, okay? Well, here's my breakfast, and I hope you guys are enjoying your morning. And I love you guys, and thank you for the love and the support. We bitches, we best friends. I forgot to mention, I had sprinkled a little garlic salt and a little bit of pepper. Now, if you can find restaurant style pepper, oh my god, it is the best. You can get it at Walmart, great value. It's a little pricey, it's like $5-6, but honey, it's like the thick, big chunk of pepper. Like, you could see the pepper in the food, and that's so good. So, happy eating.